Be still and listen. Take a deep inhale and a complete exhale into the stillness of this moment. Stepping apart for a while, creating space in the mind. And allowing the fullness of self just to be. There's nowhere to go, no thing to do, no way to do it right or wrong, no way to get more God. All Godness is right here, right now, saturating this very moment. Filling all beings, all life. For God is life itself, love itself, intelligence itself, expressing and expanding in and through and as each moment, and every being of life, intelligence, and substance, every creature in all creation. There is no need to name or label or figure out this energy. It simply is everywhere present, inexhaustible, even obvious to the naked eye. So we let go of attachment to all human form and anything that may restrict our perception and our experience of the light. We breathe into the truth of our divine nature, our I am presence, the awareness that has been spoken of and demonstrated by saints and sages and divine teachers throughout time. This light is the wholeness of being, available and accessible to all of creation. It is in fact impossible to be separate from this wholeness. So we release any illusions of separation, known or unknown to us. And we claim all of the unclaimed good, the wisdom and the love that is surrounding us, indwelling us, that we may have before this moment been unaware was ours to claim. That we may have been asleep to or passed by. We claim it now in dedication to all life, in service to love, and in acknowledgement that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. So we take a deep community breath together. As we allow ourselves to gently enter into the silence, remembering that a still body creates a still mind. And in the silence, there is a sweetness of sound that is beyond measure. May there be healing this morning. Healing of mind, body, and spirit. May there be awakening this morning. Awakening to divine potential, to the birthright of being born blessed. May there be insight, intelligence, and divine appointments, reminding us of our true nature, reminding us that we live in a loving, supportive universe. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that they are born blessed. Namaste.